How to see first message on Messenger without scrolling. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'll show you the way to see first message on Messenger without scrolling. Suppose if you have got long conversation with any individual or person on Facebook Messenger and you want to see the first message but without scrolling, then launch Messenger app on your device, and on the chat section you have to locate the particular chat where you want to see the first message. But let me inform you that there is no such feature provided by Messenger that help us to see the first message without scrolling. So by hook or crook, you just have to scroll and see the first message. If the conversation is quite short, then within a second we can see the first message. But if it is long, then you don't have any other solution rather than scrolling. But one trick is there is to install the third party application, and by enabling the feature on those application you can easily see first message without scrolling on Messenger. So that was only the way. I hope this video was informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.